So guys, it's Ed, and I thought I would do a quick unboxing and first look at a lavalier microphone that was recommended to me by several friends online that a lavalier microphone might be better. This one was highly rated on Amazon, and on YouTube you'll find a lot of good reviews and videos on this lavalier microphone. So I took a chance on it. Here's the box. The company is BOYA B1-M1 lavalier microphone. And as the box says, of the BOYA BY-M1. So some of the features that you see here, it's a clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, and PCs. It's an omnidirectional condenser mic. It has low handling noise. And in the box it says includes a lapel clip, 44 battery, foam windscreen, and an adapter. Here are some more in-depth specs here. So let's get into the box. So in the box we have some paperwork. We also have a booklet on how to use it. Push that to the side, and now this is cool. Looks like everything comes in this nice little bag. It's got this nice quality drawstring. So this way it'll be handy if you want to just take this in your camera bag or backpack, or when you're traveling. So in the bag, let's see what we have here. Aha! We have all the goodies. So what we have here is the microphone. It's got good build. The branding is minimal. Camera, smartphone button. On one end is the mic itself, which looks to be very small. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. You will plug this on your lapel or shirt. Then on the other end is the jack. And they give you a considerable amount of cord. So this will allow you to set up a camera pretty far away, giving you an ample distance to walk around and set up, which is always handy. In the bag, let's see what we have here. Here we go. Talking about attaching it to your lapel, we have a clip. Okay. have an extra jack. And we have a small windscreen. And this connects here. And there you go. And right here you connect this to your lapel or your shirt. And you keep this at a relatively good distance from your mouth. And you're ready to go. And if you're outside, you have this guy to help you out. And that's it. Pretty simple in the package. Honestly, in my opinion, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. You know, you see a lot of newscasters and professionals on TV, and it looks a little bigger, but it's actually really small. So that's it, guys. That's all that's in the box. Relatively simple unboxing of the BOYA BY-M1 Lavalier microphone. So this is Ed with Living Dadly, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.